In the last 48 hours, gold and silver prices took a massive hit, leaving investors wondering, was the record breaking 2025 rally a trap? Gold climbed over 60% and silver nearly 120% last year, fueled by the whisper of a new gold standard. But now, with the prices cooling, we have to ask, was this a calculative move by China to break the US dollar? And what is the US doing behind the scenes to keep the dollar on top? Let's unpack the 2026 geopolitical meta war. Welcome to my channel. Now, why they rose? So, the 2025 rally wasn't just inflation, it was a central bank buying spree. So, what actually happened? So, China's central bank, PBOC, bought gold for over 13 consecutive months, divesting billions in US treasuries. The narrative was clear: shift global reserve from paper, meaning dollar, to hard assets like gold and silver. With US debt crossing dollar 41 trillion in 2025 and interest payments hitting dollar 1.5 trillion annually, the world began looking for an exit door. So what was the exit door? Gold. So now why it is fluctuating? What is this hype between liquidity and what exactly is happening? Is this a marketing scam? We all have questions. So what exactly is happening is, so there is a term called as margin hikes. The CME group the CME Group recently raised margin requirements for silver futures to $25,000 per contract. Now, this forced leveraged weak hands to sell instantly, causing a flash crash. Now, despite the debt, the US dollar has remained surprisingly resilient in 2026 due to high interest rate, making gold more expensive for international buyers. After a 100% plus run in silver, institutional whales are simply logging in billions in gains. Now, defending the dollar, is America sitting idle? Or what exactly America is doing? So, by keeping the rates higher for longer, the Fed makes holding USD denominated bonds more attractive than non yielding gold. So, some US policymakers like Senator Cynthia Lummis have proposed the US to sell some of it 8,133 tons of gold to buy Bitcoin. This signals to the market that the US is ready to embrace a new digital gold to maintain financial dominance. So, by pressuring allies to avoid gold backed trade system, the US is maintaining the petrodollar influence, even as it transition to a green dollar. So, what is the conclusion? Should a person buy the dip or wait? So, this chaos is real, but the trend is structural. While China wants to shift the focus to metals, the US is trying its financial system to fight back. If gold holds the $4,000 support and silver stays above $65, the bull run is likely just starting. It's the second lap. Follow me to know more about this.